Hello everybody, good day, and yeah, have a good Monday. Okay, this is a new project. It's a bit different from the Perlin wave. This is called a Simplex wave, or Simplex noise. The difference between the Simplex noise and the Perlin noise, it's the artifact and the higher dimension compared to the artifact and being more efficient on 3D application in the case of the Perlin noise. Oh, sorry, in the case of a Simplex noise, which improve on a Perlin noise, reducing artifact and being more efficient in 3D plus application. Okay. So I'm not going to explain more, but you can Google it and check how it operates. So this is the way the wave goes. I'm at this one. It's nice. It's interesting. It looks fantastic when you play music, I must say. Okay, so here are the codes which I will post on the Google channel. Okay, so if you still need your library, and I've done this one. Simplexnoise.h, and there it is. This is a simplexnoise.h, and in order to do this, when you actually going to copy from my codes and put it into your system, your IDE, okay, so remember you have to go to these three dots, okay, you click here, say new tab, and here you type, whatever tab you want. In this case, it will be simplexnoise.h, making sure that the capital is spelled exactly the same, okay? And then, just remember to make sure that on your main, it's #include simplexnoise.h. Because if you don't put this one, it won't work. Okay, so there we are. This is the code. It's pretty simple. This is the main code, and you can always change. You can make it different type of waves, just leaving everything as it is and just replacing this code here 4, and write this code here. Okay. Oh. Terrible mouse. Right, this is the code, and you can keep on changing it and put different wavelets. You can make like a vortex, you can make a round one, you can make a different type of waves. I think I will put an explanation on the I will put an explanation on the Google, on the YouTube channel, to explain how to change this type of waves. Okay, so, and there we are, and this is the way it works. Same principle. We have the same sorry guys. We have the sound sensor. Okay, this is sound sensor which is working at the moment because you can hear me talking. Okay, and then OLED screen. The sound sensor is pin number 2 from the ESP32. This is a C3. It might have different pins from your setting. Okay. So, and I use the SEL, it's a brown one, and there is a number 6, and pin 7, it's SDA. And on the code, you got to wire begin, as I've explained before. Yeah, you see wire begin, pin number 7, which is it's SDA, and pin number 6, which is SEL. You got to wire begin it because they don't have allocated pins for SDA or ACL. So you got to explain which pin you're going to use for that function. Correct. So there we are. And I think I've explained everything. Remember, it's a 3.3 volt for the sound sensor, and it's 5 volt for the OLED screen, because if you put it on 3 volt it's a bit dimmer, so it needs power, and this runs on 5 volt. You can run it on 3 volt, but it's supposed to, it's just dimmer. That's all it is. Okay, I think we cover everything, and you can see the way it goes here, and the waves look. Let's see. Yeah, put some music on, it'll look very nice. Okay guys, I think I cover everything here, and well, have a good day. Please give me a thumbs up if you like it. Okay, ciao.